Welcome to the best Western Hoover Dam Hotel, your gateway to an unforgettable experience near the iconic Hoover Dam. You'll find a link or a QR code in the description to make your bookings simple and swift. Located in SE Henderson, Boulder City, this hotel is perfectly positioned for exploring the area's natural beauty and historical landmarks. Check-in starts at 4 p.m., allowing you to settle in comfortably. Checkout is at 11 a.m., giving you a relaxed morning. We're designed to cater to all types of travelers, with a welcoming atmosphere for everyone, from families to solo adventurers. Pet lovers will be thrilled to know we welcome up to 2 pets per room. Plus, children aged 3 to 12 can stay free of charge, making family trips even more affordable. The hotel features several great amenities to enhance your stay. Enjoy our complimentary breakfast to start your day right and stay connected with free Wi-Fi throughout the property. Unwind at our stylish bar, the perfect spot for catching up with friends or enjoying a quiet drink after a day of sightseeing. The bar offers a wide selection of refreshing beverages and skillfully crafted cocktails. Whether you're here for the Hoover Dam, the surrounding landscapes, or a relaxed getaway, the best Western Hoover Dam Hotel is your perfect base. Make sure to scan the QR code in the description to book your stay today.